Wizara ambayo inahusikana na mambo haya ya elimu, tumekubaliana na wao ya kwamba kila mwanafunzi bila ya kusumbuliwa, bila ya mambo ya vurugu katika sehemu zote za Kenya, kila mwanafunzi apatiwe nafasi ya kufanya mtihani katika mazingira tulivu na mazingira yenye iko na amani. Na ndio sababu tumemobilize askari wengi kuhakikisha ya kwamba mambo ya mitihani inaendelea vizuri katika centers zetu zote. And I want to say for the record that this examination, we are going to be having examinations in all the centers for our 3 million plus students across the Republic of Kenya. This is a very important moment for us as a nation. It is a very important moment for millions of parents, guardians, your friends, your relatives, and we want to ensure that this exam is administered in the best way possible. All administrators, every head teacher and center in charge have been given adequate security to make sure that all our children who are carrying out exams today, either KCPE or KCSE, there is adequate security in every center so that we do not distract our children from carrying out their examination. I am confident that all arrangements have been put in place between all the stakeholders and the multi-agency team that has put this together. I want every official who has been vetted to participate in this exercise to make sure that they discharge their responsibilities in accordance with the training and the agreement that has been done between the multi-agency team and all those who will be administering these exams, to make sure that there are no incidences, that there is no disruption, that there is no distraction, and all our students have an opportunity to have their examination in a tranquil environment. Shortly, we will be agreeing on how to transit into the next level. A decision is going to be made in the very short term so that you can know next year, especially for those who are in grade 6 and grade 7, how they will move and transit to the next level.
Your Excellency, these young ones have got a source of great inspiration from you, because when they look at your background and your history, Your Excellency, the way you started it was in an ordinary school like this one, and with God and the kind of discipline, you have been able to make it all the way. So they look at you as great inspiration. And in a few years to come, these are the people that